Hi guys! Ayan, welcome to my vlog at nandito na naman tayo sa aking YouTube channel at mag-update tayo ng July 2025 promo. So let's go! So ayan guys, sa mga gusto mag-avail natin ngayong July Mitsubishi promo, you can contact me through my social media. So available yung aking number through Viber and WhatsApp ready. So, yun guys, kung makikita ninyo na sobrang dami pa rin nating unit dito sa ating stockyard. So, ayan. So, ang branch pala natin guys is dito sa Mitsubishi Jose Abad Santos, Tondo, Manila. Ayan. So, ayan guys, ang ating expander cross, green, bronze, metallic. Ayan. So, per expander cross, ang retail SRP niya is 1,346,000. And ang kanyang down payment is 18,000 all-in down payment with one month amortization. So, ayan. So, ito yung pinaka-monotone niya. So, kapag two-tone naman guys, wala tayo actually ditong sunrise orange. Ang pinaka-SRP niya is 1,356,000. Ayan. So, additional ulit tayo guys. Actually, yun pala. Meron si orange. So, nasa dulo lang siya. Ayan, kung makikita ninyo. Then, of course, for our white, quartz white, expander cross is 1,371,000. Ayan. So, lahat ng expander cross natin, meron siyang free 1 month or pay after 60 to 70 days. Ayan. So, ito naman yung katabi ni expander cross, which is green, bronze, metallic din siya. Ayan. So, ang SRP niya is 1,216,000. So, ayan guys, naka-promo siya this July, which is naka-zero down payment siya. Ayan guys, kung gusto nyo mag-avail ng expander, ayan, andyan yung contact number and Facebook accounts natin. So, let's go here sa ating next step for our July promo, which is kay Triton. So, ito guys, ang ating unit is Triton GLS and color white siya. Ayan. So, for Triton, manual muna tayo, which is ang retail niya is 1,351,000. So, naka-promo tayo ngayon July, which is 37,000 yung down payment for BDO, BPI, and RCBC. And for other banks is 82,000. So, for automatic, GLX automatic is naka-zero down payment tayo. Which is kung approve naman tayo kay BDO, BPI, RCBC. Ayan. So, kung other bank, again, naka-25,000 naman po yung down payment. Kung retail naman guys at cash natin bibilin, ang SRP niya is 1,423,000. So, kung GLS naman, ayan. So, ang retail price ni GLS is 1,630,000. And 17,000 ang kanyang all-in down payment with BDO, BPI, and RCBC. Again guys, for other banks is 62,000 down payment. So, ayun guys, since wala tayong Triton Athlete dito, pero still, ang kanyang SRP for 4x4 is 1,937,000. Ang kanyang promo down payment is 106,000. Ang kanyang standard down payment is 156,000. Ayan. Let's go to other units. Ayan, so medyo marami pa rin kasi units dito. Medyo masigip pa ang ating dinadaanan. So, ito guys, pakita ko sa inyo yung banda dito. Ayan. So, ang daming L300 na i-release ngayong buwan. So, let's go here naman kay Mirage G4 July promo. So, again guys, naka-zero down payment pa rin yan with free 2 months or pay after 90 to 100 days. Ayan. So, kung gusto nyong i-discuss regarding dito kay G4, and meron tayong pa-surprise dahil meron na rin 2026 year model itong Mirage G4 natin. So, let's discuss. Chat nyo ako kung gusto nyo magkaroon ng idea regarding sa ating New Year model. For L300 naman guys, for July promo, ayan, so naka-zero down payment si L300 with free 2 months or pay after 90 to 100 days. So ayan, sobrang grabe na yung binibigay na promo sa atin ni Mitsubishi. At the same time, yung mga negosyante natin dyan, mga makakapag-subit pa ng kanyang monthly. So magagamit natin si unit ng before 90 to 100 days. Ayan. So, sobra-sobra na rin yun para at least makapag-ipon pa pang business at the same time pang monthly ni L300. So, ayan guys. Dito naman tayo sa ating Montero GLS or Montero Manual and Montero Black Series natin. So, ano nga ba ang promo ngayon nila Montero? So, actually guys, kompleto yung color natin kung makikita nyo. May white, may black, and may silver. Yeah, makikita nyo yung comparison nilang tatlo at kung ano yung gusto nyong color dyan. So, for Montero Manual, again guys, extended yung promo natin which is naka-zero down payment siya. And of course, 31,000 ng kanyang monthly and with a lots of freebies na ibibigay natin care of agent. So, for Montero GLS Automatic, ang kanyang retail price is 1,899,000 and ang kanyang promo price for July promo is 79,900. Ayan. So, with free 1 month amortization or pay after 60 to 70 days. So, ang retail pala ni manual for cash buyer natin dyan is 1,568,000. So, kung gusto nyo pong i-discuss yung discount, kontakin nyo lang po ako. Available naman po tayo sa Viber and WhatsApp natin. So, meron din naman tayo social media. You can message me. Ayan. So, let's go naman tayo kay Black Series 4x2. So, ang retail price natin for Black Series 4x2 is 2,162,000. Ayan, ang kanyang promo price or down payment for this July promo is 150,000. Ayan, guys, again, for BDO, BPI, RCBC approval ang ating mga promo approvals. So, once na ma-approve tayo kay BDO, BPI, RCBC automatic, guys, mabibigyan kayo ng magandang down payment and freebies, of course. So, ang ating standard down payment for Black Series Automatic is 205,000. So, kung 4x4, actually guys, wala tayong unit dito para mapakita ko sana sa inyo na Black Series 4x2 at 4x4 dahil free order siya. So, ang 4x4 natin na retail price is 2,502,000 and ang kanyang promo down payment is 270,000. And ang kanyang standard down payment is 325,000. Ayan. So, ayan yung mga units natin, guys. Sobrang dami pa rin. Actually, mga for release yan. So, don't worry. Ito lang ay stockyard natin dito kay Mitsubishi Tondo, Manila. Ayan. So, yun guys, ang ating Mitsubishi July promo update natin ngayong 2025. So, kung nagpa-plan kayo or gusto nyong mag-ask regarding sa ating mga discounts, freebies, ayan. So, you can call me or message me through my social media. So, mga OFW, employed, and business owner, ayun yung contact number natin dyan. Viber ready and WhatsApp ready na rin po yan. So, ayun guys, thank you so much for watching. Kung yung mga gustong mag-avail naman dyan, cash, bank PO, financing, pwede natin bigyan ng formal quotation. So, you can message me through my social media. Ayun guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Again guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you guys for watching.